Good day. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Sir Madam. I am Renilda Di Juan, 39 years old, married with 2 children, presently residing in Marilao, Bulacan.
Okay, tell me about your working experience.
My working experience, domestic helper in Hong Kong, from 2011 to 2012.
Okay, how many children did you take care?
I take care children, one only.
Okay, how old is the child?
The child is a girl, 10 years old.
How will you take care of their child?
I take care of the child by giving food and prepare the dress for her schooling.
Okay. As a domestic helper, what are your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, cleaning the house,
Okay.
preparing food for the family.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am, I can cook Chinese food and Filipino food.
What kind of Chinese food did you cook?
I cook Chinese food like steamed minced pork, steamed fish, long soup, fried vegetables, and more.
Okay. In case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes, or you found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will give it back to my employer.
Okay. Can you operate an electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am, I can operate electrical appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, microwave oven, and also the iron.
What if during your day off, then your employer asks you not to take their day off because they have visitors, what will you do?
I will not take my day off, and also I will help to my employer to work together with the visitors.
Okay. Why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work again in Hong Kong because of high salary, and also I will give a better future of my family.
Okay. If you will given a chance to work again in Hong Kong, what would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
To my prospective employer, Sir Madam, if you give me an opportunity, I am honest, obedient, trustworthy, and responsible, hardworking. Thank you.